Digital marketing. Just another one of those new, fancy buzzwords you should use to sound smart in meetings, or is it the real deal? Maybe a better question is, what is digital marketing? This digital marketing guide will show you what's what. First popularized as a term in the early 2000s, digital marketing has actually been around much longer. If you are wondering what digital marketing is, it's advertising delivered through digital channels. Channels such as social media, mobile applications, email, web applications, search engines, websites, or any new digital channel. The Digital Marketing Handbook, a step-by-step guide to creating websites that sell. Written to help marketers. From the Fortune 1000 to small business owners and solopreneurs. The Digital Marketing Handbook by legendary copywriting pioneer and marketing expert Robert W. Bly teaches you the proven models and processes for generating a steady stream of traffic, conversions, leads, opt-ins, and sales. A step-by-step guide to creating websites that sell. Whether you are marketing an online-based business, brick-and-mortar store, or a hybrid business, Bly will teach you how to integrate a digital marketing plan with traditional marketing outreach efforts, maximize open rates, click-through rates, conversions, and sales, avoid the most common internet marketing mistakes that cause people to fail online, build a large and responsive opt-in email list, master Google AdWords, Facebook advertising, and other traffic-generating tactics, drive quality leads to your online and offline storefronts, produce brand awareness and generate leads with Snapchat, Instagram, Periscope, Pinterest, and other social media platforms, design hub sites, landing pages, and squeeze pages, guaranteed to bring in leads. Bly shares tested direct response methods. Bly shares tested direct response methods that can increase your online revenues by 50, 100, and even 200%, along with an extensive resource section to give your website a competitive edge. Order today from Amazon and save 32%.